Now, with the other major crisis the country is facing, the coronavirus emergency, the White House task force pushing states to speed up vaccinating Americans. Victor Oquendo joins us from Hard Rock Stadium in Miami, where one of the largest testing sites will now also be administering vaccines. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Robin. Despite the rocky start to the rollout here in Florida, plagued by confusion and scheduling glitches, the governor is expanding the vaccination efforts here. So this line you see behind me, it's now a combination of people here for testing and the vaccine, which will likely lead to longer wait times.
This morning, as the U.S. surpasses a staggering 21 million confirmed COVID-19 cases, the White House Coronavirus Task Force is calling on states to speed up vaccinations, particularly among senior citizens.
We see governors who are leaving vaccines sitting in freezers rather than getting it out into people's arms.
So far, 5.3 million people have been vaccinated. That's just a fraction of the more than 17 million available doses. With a growing number of healthcare workers declining the shot, Azar saying that those priority groups are just recommendations and should not get in the way.
By all means, you ought to be opening up to people 70 and over, 65 and over. You ought to be making sure that the nursing home patients are getting vaccinated.
In North Carolina, seniors are waiting up to 5 hours to get the vaccine, cars lined up for miles. In places like California, where hospitals are overrun, those vaccines can't come soon enough. In L.A. County, it's ambulances that are lining up. Our Kaylee Hartung on the front lines with EMTs.
How long have you had to wait with patients in this parking lot today?
5-6 hours,
Yeah.
But yesterday I was at San Dimas Hospital, 17 hours in the back of a rig with a semi-critical patient. Sometimes it's gambling, literally it's gambling with somebody's life, counting the minutes, like how quick can I get them a bed before something bad happens, because I have limited resources, and if they're really going downhill, there may not even be a spot to put them in the hospital.
I was actually deployed to Hurricane Rita and Hurricane Katrina, and this is by far the worst disaster I've ever been involved in.
And in order to speed up the vaccination process, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar announcing an accelerated rollout program that will include 19 pharmacy chains in more than 40,000 locations across the United States. Michael?
All right, thank you, Victor.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.